This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the UFO breakdance. This impressive power move requires significant core strength and body control. You'll learn to spin smoothly on your head and shoulders, keeping your body flat like a flying saucer. We'll cover the essential techniques to achieve a stable and continuous rotation. Mastering this move will elevate your breakdancing repertoire, adding a unique and visually striking element to your routine. Let's get started on your journey to mastering the UFO. Before attempting the full UFO, building foundational strength is crucial. Focus on exercises that target your core, neck, and shoulders. Regular planks, held for 30 to 60 seconds, will significantly improve your abdominal strength. Practice headstands against a wall for at least 1 minute to get comfortable with inversions. Shoulder stands also prepare your body for the unique pressure points of the UFO. Consistent training, 3 to 4 times a week, will yield the best results for your balance and power. To execute the UFO, begin by getting into a stable headstand or shoulder stand. Your hands should be wide, providing a strong base. Extend your legs straight out, aiming to keep your body as flat and horizontal as possible, resembling a flying saucer. Use a powerful push-off from your hands to initiate the spin, rotating your body around your head and shoulders. Maintain a rigid core and extended limbs throughout the entire rotation for maximum control and speed. Aim for at least 1 full rotation initially. Consistent practice is key to mastering the UFO. Always use a headspin beanie to protect your head and reduce friction, allowing for smoother spins. Start by focusing on achieving 1 or 2 controlled rotations before attempting more. Gradually increase your spin duration, aiming for 3 to 5 full rotations over several weeks. Record yourself to identify areas for improvement in your form and stability. Integrate the UFO into your existing breakdance routines to make it a natural part of your flow. Dedicate 15 minutes daily to practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.